god of the molten core, where the fire and thunder roar, stands the smith with hands of flame, forging fate in heaven's name. Hammer falls with a wrathful cry, sparks like stars in the obsidian sky. Steel bends to his mighty will, a god of craft, a master still. From the depths of flame and stone, he shapes the blade, the shield, the throne. Thunderbolts for Zeus to cast, armor up for warriors vast. Born in fire, bound in strife, he forges death, he forges life. A gift for Achilles, a shield so bright, a silver moon in the endless fight. Winged sandals swift as air, for Hermes fleet and light as prayer. Chains that bind the Titan's might, crafted strong to shackle night. Golden net to snare deceit, for gods who play and gods who cheat. From the depths of flame and stone, he shapes the blade, the shield, the throne. Thunderbolts for Zeus to cast, armor up for warriors vast. Born in fire, bound in strife, he forges death, he forges life. Shunned by gods, cast below, yet through the flames his legend grows. Lame in form, but strong in hand, the fire bends to his command. From the depths of flame and stone, he shapes the blade, the shield, the throne. Pandora's box, the gift of doom, a curse unleashed from the god-forged moon. Born in fire, bound in strife, he forges death, he forges life. When the stars fade, when the gods are gone, still his forge will burn on. When the stars fade, when the gods are gone,